Here is a 5-minute video briefing discussing the heat and the heat that will continue through 4th of July weekend. This is Alex Tardy, Warning Coordination Meteorologist at the National Weather Service in San Diego. Hope you enjoy the video. Here are the highlights we will take a look at. We'll show and discuss these items. Prolonged heat wave continues for inland areas, especially for the foothills, mountains, and the deserts. Record highs have been broken over the weekend, and in some cases near all-time highs. Hot weather will continue through July 7th, so through the holiday weekend of 4th of July for the inland areas. This has been a monsoon weather pattern and moisture starting to increase, so isolated thunderstorms, mainly in the mountains, are expected. Patchy coastal dense fog will continue as the marine layer fluctuates from a shallow marine layer to a slightly deeper along the immediate coast. We do expect quite a bit of sunshine for many areas, however, on the beaches. How hot in June so far? Take a look at these record hot temperatures that occurred across the west. You can see in Southwest California, several locations broke record high temperatures just over the past weekend, including Thermal, Palm Springs area, and all the way down to Campo, as well as some of our mountain sites. All the red dots indicate record highs for the month of June, most of these occurring over the weekend. How hot were the temperatures on Sunday? Well, after temperatures reaching 122, just 1 degree shy of the all-time high in Palm Springs, temperatures were a little bit lower the following day on Sunday, as shown here. However, many of our locations in the high deserts and the lower deserts exceeded 110. Locations in the Inland Empire exceeded 105, especially in the eastern part near Beaumont and Banning. Temperatures along the coast kept in check, largely from the marine layer, though there were some areas above the marine layer that got into the 80s and lower 90s. These were highs on Sunday. All right, let's focus on the heat again. Excessive heat warnings remain for the mountain areas, the high deserts, and all of the eastern deserts, which includes Palm Springs and the San Diego deserts. This is excessive heat warning that continues and remains in effect through early this week. Actual high temperatures that you may be interested in for 4th of July celebrations. Here's what they are expected. Not quite as hot as we saw over the weekend, but still mid to upper 80s in the mountains. Temperatures exceeding 110, close to 115 in Palm Springs and the San Diego deserts and Zaborrego Park. In the Inland Empire, temperatures in the upper 90s and in some places getting just over 100, especially near the Beaumont Banning Pass area. So please keep this in mind if you're planning outdoor activities or any celebrations for the 4th of July. Temperatures are still excessively hot inland. The only real relief is on the beaches and the immediate coast, as shown here, with temperatures holding in the 70s, but still getting close to 90 over inland areas, including the I-15 corridor of San Diego County. Why so hot? Well, here it is, July 1st. Upper level high pressure has been pushed westward, remains quite strong, and is anchored over the region, as shown. For July 4th through 7th, well, we don't see a whole lot of change, even though the upper level high pressure does weaken, as shown here on the left for July 4th. However, it does anchor itself right over southern Nevada and southern California. By July 7th, later in the weekend, it shifts a little bit to the east, and that will allow a little bit of cooling to begin. What is this wind flow we're talking around? High pressure area centered over Nevada is causing the winds to come in from the east and southeast. These are winds aloft. The green area is moisture, and considerably high moisture in the mid and upper levels, as shown in the shaded region. All right, we talked about the humidity increase. This is what it looks like currently. Today, Monday, moisture continues to increase from the southeast. Shown here in blue are the dew point temperatures. Now over the weekend and on Saturday, across the deserts around the Salton Sea and the Coachella Valley, dew points were in the 30s, producing very low humidity in the afternoon. Since then, dew points rose in the 50s on Sunday, and now we see many locations in the 60s as moisture continues to come up from the southeast. Of course, the moisture along the immediate coast is thanks to the marine layer. The dashed yellow line is an area where we'll see favorable air converging over the mountain peaks as the flow comes in from the east-southeast, and that's the area where isolated thunderstorms are possible. Here are some links to weather information that you might find useful. Thanks for tuning into this weather briefing, and enjoy the 4th of July.